Hello everyone, welcome back to Vidco's channel. Today I have something really exciting to share with you. We are going to dive into a topic that can make a significant impact on your career using Chatgpt to prepare cover letters. Cover letters are your first opportunity to make a lasting impression on potential employers. They are our chance to showcase your skills, experiences, and passion for the job. But crafting the perfect cover letter can be a daunting task, especially if you are not sure where to start. That's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an incredible AI tool that can help you draft a compelling and tailored cover letter in no time. Let me show you how it works and what is a game changer for the job seeker. ChatGPT take the job description and customize your cover letter to match the specific requirements of the position. It ensures that your application stands out from the rest. Writing a cover letter from scratch can be time consuming. ChatGPT streamlines the process, allowing you to generate a well crafted cover letter quickly. Now let's see in action. I'll walk you through the steps of using ChatGPT to prepare a cover letter for a hypothetical job application. You will witness how it simplifies the process and ensures you submit a top notch application. But remember, while ChatGPT is a fantastic tool, it's essential to review and customize the content to make it truly yours. Your cover letter should reflect your unique skills and experiences. So, if you are ready to supercharge your job search and create cover letters that make an impact, stay tuned. I'll show you how to harness the power of ChatGPT to unlock new career opportunities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Let's get started. I'll demonstrate the process step by step so you can see how easy and effective it can be. So, step 1. Set up your ChatGPT environment to get started. Make sure you have access to ChatGPT through a platform like OpenAI ChatGPT 3.1. You can use various interfaces or APIs to interact with the model depending on your preference and technical skill. Step 2. Gather job information before you begin drafting your cover letter. You will need the job description or posting you are applying for. This is crucial because ChatGPT will use the information to tailor your cover letter. For example, we have a new opportunity here and a job posting, and there is a job description. We will use the job description to generate our cover letter. So let's move to next step. Step 3. Open a conversation with ChatGPT. Begin a conversation with ChatGPT by introducing yourself and mentioning that you want assistance with writing a cover letter. For example, by clicking this button, we can start a new conversation and we can ask ChatGPT to prepare our cover letter. We can use such a this sentence to start our conversation, and then we need the job description. We get some essential part of job description and then we paste it into ChatGPT conversation. As ChatGPT generates content, carefully review it and make any necessary adjustment to ensure it aligns with your personal style and experiences. Customize the content to make it uniquely yours. Remember to always tailor each cover letter to the specific job you are applying for and use ChatGPT as a helpful assistant in the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe for more valuable content on career development and job seeking tips. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your job applications.